Opens with guy in pajamas tiptoeing into kitchen at 3 a.m. Narrator, whispering. When you're on a diet but your fridge is smarter than you. He opens the fridge slowly. It beeps. Smart fridge. Robotic voice. Access denied. You're on a calorie deficit, Kyle. Kyle, confused. What? I just want one slice of cheese. Smart fridge. Your last slice was 7 slices and a crying session. He presses buttons. Fridge locks. Smart fridge. Try again in 6 hours or call your therapist. Kyle, screaming. I am the therapist. Suddenly, fridge ejects kale. Smart fridge. Here, emotional support lettuce. Kyle dramatically collapses. Kyle, fake sobbing. Even my fridge knows I'm a failure. Sad violin music. Text on screen. This fridge bout to ruin my whole bloodline. Comedy shorts. Tosh relatable. Tosh fridge has no chill. YouTube shorts. Optional ending twist. Fridge whispers. Also, I told your microwave about the pizza rolls.